When Daddy's work. Say hi, Daddy. Hi.
Daddy's work.
No video.
Why?
No.
You're gonna leave me na?
What?
You're going to leave me?
No. I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to stay.
Tignan mo yung mukha mo, oh. Yung mukha niya na ano sa table dun sa mga inasal. Hindi kasi tumitingin sa kanyang dinadaanan eh. Oh. Pero pogi pa din. Pogi ka pa din.
Daddy, I like to play tag with Ryan.
Sabi Ryan.
Daddy, where's your phone?
Ba't ganyan yung brief niya? Luma na yun.
Hindi po, extra lang naman.
Daddy?
We're going to, saan yun?
Where?
Natos farm.
Nato's farm.
No.
Naku, dati sinasabi ko ha, maraming lamok. I-reapply mo yung ano niya, lotion niya.
Para ka nag-tiktok.
Oy.
Pakita mo yung TikTok mo sa kanila, yung maingay. Natural.
Pinag-iisipan ko kung may upload ko yun. There's our Christmas tree there. It's Christmas time. It's Christmas time. And si Xander, sasama kay Daddy nga, ako mag-me time.
Wow!
So magsama kayong dalawa. No girls.
Yes, girls. Yes, girls.
Be a good boy, ha? And then don't run. Just stick with Daddy, okay? And don't let the mosquito bite you.
There's mosquitoes in Daddy's work.
You have your, what's that? The repellent lotion.
No.
Yeah, you have your lotion there in your bag. And you tell your daddy to put the fly, ha? Yeah, tapos may ubo ka pa. Oh, stand up. It's dirty there. Hindi pa nakapaglinis si Mami.
Didiretso na kami ni Sander.
Bye-bye!
Hindi na kayo mababa sa office. Mauna na sila.
Ba't i-shuttle na kayo?
Kasi mag-set up pa sila eh.
Ano oras ba ang punta niyo doon?
Sa akin. Or dyan na kayo.
Sabay na lang para ano. May shuttle?
Jeep. Kasi
Ay, jeep?
diba sa kampustuhan kasi walang sasakyan pabalik.
Kapwestuhan ba yun?
Before kampustuhan. Di ba walang ano yun?
Wala ba kayo nakalimutan na ano? May food ba doon? May water?
Just to be sure.
Where are you going? Don't.
Binukon.
Magana?
433.
Ano, walang jeep?
May jeep doon pabalik.
Ano yung pabalik? What are you eating?
Tata.
Ano kung gagabihin kayo ha?
Pag-work namin dapat maganda kami.
Hindi, natutulog pa din ako. Oh, you're gonna miss me? Ang init ah. Sana naglaban na lang ako. Maglaban na lang ako? Ay, wala palang malalaban. Iba na lang ako uniform ni Xander.
Mommy, here, you eat it.
No, I don't like it. Sarap pala. Drink water.
Okay sa akin, mami. Let's go.
Ang dumi ng lips.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Here's your food. Let's go.
Daddy, yung likod niyan, papawisan ah.
Kuya ka ng bahay.
O yung susi mo.
Andito sa loob.
Cellphone, power bank, charger.
Pag inubuto ka namin, utang ka lang sa amin.
Sige. Bye, Xander. Nandiyan na yung sasakyan. Well, so andito ako ngayon sa bahay mag-isa. Di, alis din ako. So, pupunta kasi akong papa-color ng hair. Kaya sinama ni daddy si Xander sa sa team building nila. So, mag-ayos muna ako ng bahay bago ako umalis para pagdating is hindi nakakainit ang ulo. So, bye-bye. Balikan ko kayo.
Where are we, Xander?
Me. Me.
Okay, you walk them around. Tell them where you are. Not like
Why
that.
is it like that? Hello, everyone. We're done work. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Whoa, cool. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi.
Hi.
Here. Daddy, how can I hold it?
Like... Wow. Hello.
Me.
Where's mommy?
Me. So here they here. They're here. You're here, Dad. Yeah. So many people, right?
Come here, Xander.
So many people. So many people. So many people here. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Wow. It's okay. So cool. So cool.
Is it
Wait. Whoa. That's
see
so
the
cool.
fish?
Yeah.
Take a seat. Oh, you might drop my phone.
There. Now you walk.
Oh, what are you gonna say? Yes. Where are we? We're gonna walk around. Nice to hear. You're done playing?
Yes, I'm just going to walk around.
Okay, walk around.
Here.
Here, just here. You have Tita Grace. You move the shapes. What are you doing?
I'm going to pee.
You want to pee? Halika dito. Let's look for the comfort room. I think it's here. Come here.
Very good. All right.
You.
I'm bumping you. I'm just throwing these rocks.
Why are you putting rocks there? No, don't put rocks there.
Yeah, I like to put rocks there.
Where's mommy?
People will eat it
People will eat it? No.
because they're going to vomit.
Wow. They can't eat rocks.
And I'm going to put these rocks on there. Daddy, the rock is there.
You tell them. Those.
He's there. He's there.
What are you doing?
mom. Pakistan book. Kain muna ako. Ayan, parang shabu-shabu. Yan, bahay na ako guys. And look at my peste. How was your day, Xander? How was your day? Namiss ko to eh. Wala akong mabuisit. Hey, ito rin namiss ko eh. Wala akong mabuisit. Itong dalawang to, hindi man lang pinapansin eh. Lumayas na kaya ako. Walang pasok tomorrow, holiday. You say goodnight na, Xander?
No.
How was your day, Daddy, with Xander?
How was your day daw?
No, I'm asking you, Daddy.
Wait lang. Mukha ko pang.
How do I look? Parang may sasagot sa akin. How about you guys? How do I look?
May gugulong sa inyo.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. And I painted. They painted my nails pala. I painted no? And ayan, paminsan-minsan lang. Say goodnight na. Ayan, nag-headband ako yung bangs ko kasi nag-shower kasi ako and hindi pa siya pwedeng basain ng 2 days. No, Tuesday, babalik ako doon. Para sila daw yung unang magbabanlaw and paplansyahin nila ulit. Ay nga pala, yung ginawa sa hair ko is Caribond. Tama ba?
Caribond.
Ayan, with color and with highlights na din yan.
It's color brown.
And rebond.
It's color brown.
And keratin.
Mommy,
Kung ano-ano.
Mommy, what's
So,
the
tingnan
color
natin. Nakaplansya
of
kasi
my
kaya,
hair?
sabi
What's
nila.
the color of my hair?
What?
What's the color of my hair?
It's black.
Why?
Why?
Why is it black?
Because that's your natural hair color.
I don't like
My
black.
hair was black too. I just want a color. I just want to color it. Like this.
Brown.
How do I look at that?
Beautiful.
Really? Thank you so much.
Your feet are painted too.
Yeah, they painted my nails to here, my toes,
Yeah.
and here. So yung ginamit na dito yung, oily yung tatak, pero okay naman.
What's the color of my nails? What's the color of my nails?
It's clear.
What's clear?
And so yun lang guys. Good night. Good. Ay, say good night na. Ay. May ubo si Xander. I love you. Ay, parang sige na, say good night na. Okay, masama pakiramdam niya. Sige, good night guys. Good night everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching. Sige na. Thank you for watching. Bye.